If you want add time code or YouTube calls as chapters to your videos, so then show up in a YouTube scroll bar, then keep watching this video. Hey guys, my name is Krzysztof from Zero to Millionaire, and let's jump right now into tutorials.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
Today's tutorial will be adding chapters to your video, and this chapter on the video look like this. So when you going through your video, you see some part are splitted, and below is a title of this chapter what you write to your time codes. So here is splitted part of chapters. Here is information about these chapters, and this information YouTube grabbed from your description. And this look like this in my one of the video on a channel. So I splitted my video to chapters, and all chapters has description. So it's simply to navigate to, for example, for you, how to move between chapters. So if you're not interested intro, you can go through your next chapters, or if you make bigger tutorials, you can split for part of this tutorials. For example, if you have 1 hour tutorials, and in these tutorials have many chapters and different part of this, you can split in the same way like I split here. And for example, if you have a music channel and you have add time codes, you can split this by song in a big music video. So if you have, for example, a music video 1 hours and you put there, I don't know, 100 songs, so you can split every song in this video and put information here. So for example, first chapter is song like this, next chapter is song this, and the same with next. Okay, but how to do this to make this time code in your video? First, we need to go to video without chapters. I have one of this video uploaded on my channel, so we can go to this video. Like you see, this video doesn't have any chapters, and in description I have only description without any chapters. So to add these chapters to my channel, go to edit video. This time code you can put in description. In my case, I put this chapters below my short description. So I add some headers. This headers is not required. And here I put my chapters. So for example, this will be testing chapters. I don't will be focused how this should be look. So I start from some testing chapters. And for example, first is minutes, seconds is how many seconds. So for example, 40 seconds test one. Next chapter can be start at 1 minute, so will be test 2. Next will be, for example, 2 minutes, test 3, and next will be at 3 minutes, test 4. I told you this doesn't work because here is one of the missing requirements from YouTube, but I show you how it's looking without this one required elements. So I save this, go to this video, and like you see, here is no chapters, but in a description this time code exists, and this is working. So if you click on 1 minute, this will be automatically play for, starting from 1 minute, but this chapter doesn't appear. How to fix it? YouTube has a requirement to time codes started from 00000000, and you can call it this whatever you want, but I'm always using intro. And now when I save this, we can back to this video. And like you see, chapters started appeared. So I move this, is intro, like you see here. This is description. Next is test first, second, next, and next. And like you see, this started from 0000, and now it's working.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.